What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel.
What's up, guys? We are currently at Sam's Club. Let me show you guys. Wait, can you see it? Oh, there we go. Sam's Club. So we are here because we need Lunchables. And they currently have $2 off this month on the Lunchables. So it ends up being like a fair price for Lunchables. And I don't know when the Lunchables decided to go up in price, but they're no longer like $1 at the grocery stores. They're like almost $2 now. So they're like cheaper at Sam's Club. And we need Lunchables at home for when I don't get up early to pack the kids' lunch, and I can just put a Lunchable in there for them. So we're here for that. And then I also wanted to bring you guys along because they're currently having their monthly instant savings, which if you guys are familiar with Costco does it and Sam's Club does it. Every month they put certain items as like an instant savings. So they have the Lunchables $2 off, and then I saw a ton of other good items. Like they have the Tide, they have the Bounty and Charming toilet paper and paper towels. They have, I think, like $5 off of that. So I wanted to see the prices and I wanted to show them to you guys just in case, you know, they were really good instant savings. And then we have a Sam's Club promotion where you can get a membership for only $14.99. I don't know when the promotion ends. It does tend to end just randomly. It doesn't have like a set date. So if you're thinking about getting a Sam's Club membership, I suggest just jumping on it. So it's $14.99 to sign up, and then you get a $10 gift card. So it essentially makes the membership only $5. Yeah, only $5. So we signed up Jay.
I got a membership, guys.
Jay's got a membership. We're gonna go redeem it, and then we're gonna get our gift card. I need to redeem the gift card, but Mia's taking a nap in the back, so.
Oh, and you could actually add the card to the app too.
Oh yeah.
So we don't even need to carry the card around all the time now.
Yeah, you don't need to carry the physical card. You could just download the Sam's Club app. So that's basically the rundown for today's video. Coming shopping with us to Sam's Club. And then if you guys want to get in on the membership, I know a ton of people always have questions on like, I couldn't redeem my membership, like I don't know what I'm doing. It is a super easy. So I'm currently going to be blocking Jay and adding screenshots here. You're gonna get, once you sign up, I'll have the link in the description so you guys can sign up. Just go ahead, click on that link. It is going to take you to like a third-party seller. It is not a scam, guys. A lot of people get worried thinking it's a scam, but it is not. Just go ahead, put in your info. You're gonna, you know, add one membership to your card, go to checkout. You can either, you know, pay with one of your cards, your debit card, or you can pay using PayPal. Once you've done that process, it is going to email you 3 emails. One of the emails is going to be your confirmation for your payment. Next email is going to be your 1-year membership, and third email is going to be the $10 gift card. So this is where people have problems redeeming their membership. The email that has, the email that has your membership, it's gonna have a link, and it's like, you can't click the link. Even though it says like click the link, you can't click it. It's a PDF all the way at the bottom of your email. It's like a PDF. You click the PDF, and then it has like the instructions, and it has your promotion code at the top to redeem your membership. So I think it's like step 1, go ahead, get the link, copy it, go to your web browser. You can either type it in or just try to copy it. I'll go ahead and probably have it in the description as well, just in case, so you guys can just grab it from there. And then, you know, just post it on your Safari. And then the promotion code that it says for your membership under the little green card on that PDF form, you're gonna copy that code, put it into the Safari thing. It takes you over to like the regular Sam's website afterwards, and you're gonna put it there for your redemption. You're gonna click activate, and then it's gonna take you to fill out your membership form. So like super easy. Once you've already put your promo code, it's gonna say, okay, your first and last name for your membership, your address, your phone number, and it is basically gonna set up your Sam's Club online account. Once you have that ready, you'll have your membership good to go, and you'll be able to start shopping online. You'll be able to add your membership, like Jay said, to the app, or you can just go into the store, and then with your ID, you can go to the customer service, the front desk, and then they can give you that physical Sam's Club card. So super easy. I just feel like everyone gets confused with the PDF and with that link, because it's not like a samsclub.com link. It's a
third party.
It's a bit.ly link, like a shortened link, and then it says redemption code, and then you can't click it. And so I feel like people
It's not a scam, guys.
Yeah, it's not a scam, and it's not as hard as you think it is. It's just like a little like confusing because of the typing and the wording, and because you can't actually copy and paste stuff from the PDF. I mean, sometimes you can, but sometimes it was giving me a hard time to do it. But that's why I said I'll have it in the description so you guys can check that out. And then the $10 gift card is essentially the same. There's a link. Go ahead, just copy and paste the link over and then put in your redemption code, and then it's going to give you the $10 gift card, the barcode. So you can just take a screenshot of the barcode so you can go ahead and use it at Sam's Club when you're ready to go. So hopefully you guys got that down. Hopefully you guys get a membership if you want one. And now, time to wake up Mama Mia so we can go get our Lunchables. Oh, and hopefully they have the Uncrustables. The peanut butter and jelly. They didn't have them last time. And I want them this time. So hopefully they have that. But alright guys, let's go. If you have any questions, go ahead, leave them down below and I'll try to help you guys figure it out. But it's really easy, it honestly is. So first things first, we have Jay over at Member Services getting his membership, his physical card. I think mine's expired this month, because the last time we came, which was like about 2-3 weeks ago, it said that we need to renew it. So I was like, you know what, let's jump in on this offer and get a membership for Jay under Jay's name. Here he comes.
My card is better than yours.
Why?
Carla's card. My premium card. Nope, you can't have it.
Let me see.
She said they changed it up.
Wow,
They're going through a rebranding.
that is so much nicer.
Look at that plain one.
Oh, whatever. I mean, I could technically get a card too if I add.
I guess I'll let you borrow it.
Oh gosh.
Just let me know, okay?
You know what I like about Sam's Club though, is that, because like normally for Costco, if I want to go to Costco, I have to take Jay with me because of his picture and all of that. But Sam's Club, you can just like do the self-checkout and just scan the membership and like.
Costco needs self-checkout. Wait, do they have it?
No, they do have self-checkout, but I don't know if they actually even look at the membership. I think it's just one of those things that because it has the picture, it psychs me out. But alright, let's go see what we can find. So one of the #1 reasons why we love Sam's Club is because they have more of a variety on cat food than Costco, because Costco only has like the Kirkland brand, and this one has, well, right now they only have these two, I think, or I think on the other side they had more, but they also have like the cat wet food, and they have the litter, and these are on instant savings. So these are $13.34 for 2 of the 20-pound ones, and then this one is the same. No, this one's a little more. This one's $20.73. So they have an additional $3 in savings. I think we're gonna get the $13.34 one, right? We need cat litter. And just to mention, just one of these 20-pound one is about like $12 at Target. So we're getting 2 for almost the price of 1. Not bad. Next instant savings, and I think people like it. We have the Gain. It's $3 off also. So it's $15.97. And at Target, they have the one that is like 50 ounces less for $16. So you get 50 ounces more for the same price. Next, we found some Tide Pods, and I think this is a really good deal because I saw the, is it the 42? Yeah, the 42 count, or is it the 40 something? I just know that Target has like one of their bigger packs for almost $25, and it has a way less. This has 104. It is a $5 instant savings, so you get it for $21.48, and you get 104 of the Tide Pods, and it has 4 bags. They also have this one here with Febreze. Now this is a limit of 1 per membership, but I think it's a limit of 1 per transaction if I'm not wrong, but I can't confirm that because we're not gonna get these. They have the OxiClean here. This one is also an instant savings. You're gonna get $4.70 off. It has 250 load. I don't use that one, so I don't know if that's a good deal or not, but here's the tag just in case you guys use it. They also have an instant savings on the scent boosters. They are $17.97, but when you buy 2, you're gonna get $7 off. So let's break it down. It is $17.97, just pulling out my phone. $17.97 times 2. Okay, so $35.94 for 2, but we're gonna get $7 off for buying 2. Makes it $28.94 for 2, which is a $14.47. And these are the 37.5 ounce. These are ginormous, so I think that's a good deal. Basically 15 bucks for each. I think this one's a good one, the Cascade. It's the 92 count for $16.98. The exact same ones, and it is the 64 count, I think, at Target is $20. So 92 count, and it is much cheaper. I think it's a good one. They also have the Finish. It is $4 off, so it is $12 for 100 tabs. Which one do you guys prefer, Finish or Cascade? Let me know. So far we've only used Cascade, but I'm willing to try this one because it is cheaper. Last aisle of cleaning supplies, we found scrubbing bubbles, the bath cleaners. They are $10.66 for a 4-pack. So that is like $2.66 for each one. That is super heavy. Let's see what else they have here. They have, you see, they have the scan and go features. So if you were to do scan and go, you get a cheaper price as well. Well, a lower price. They have a ton of these options. Those are actually pretty good prices. Let's see. What else? We have a glass cleaner, $7.48. It is at $2.50 off for one of these thingies. I wonder, I haven't figured it out if the yellow tags are clearance, but they're not instant savings because instant savings say instant savings at the top. So I'm not sure if this is like clearance price. You guys let me know if you guys know. Now this is our last laundry instant savings deal. They have the Bounce dryer sheets. They're $10.58, a 320 count. Then they have the Tide 158 loads, $7 off when you buy both. So you have to buy the Tide and the Bounce dryer sheets. So breaking it down, it is $26.18. Nope, $26.18 plus $10.58 equals $36.76 minus our $7 in instant savings makes it $30 for the two, $29.76. Let's see how many loads this is. It is, no, ounces. It is 208 ounces. So this one at Target, it's the same thing like the Gain. They only have the 150 ounce and it is like $22. And then the Bounce dryer sheets, the 160 count is $6.99. So you're looking at about almost like a little more than $30 because it's two of these and then one of these. So a little over $30, but you are getting more ounces on the Tide for this. We made it to the Bounty and Charming. This one is $10 off when you buy two, and the Bounty is $19.84 and the Charming is $25.68. So let's break this down. It is $19.84 plus $25.68 minus 10 makes it $35.52 for both. $17.76 each. I don't really know about this because I haven't bought items like this here in so long. This is a 12 count. The rolls are pretty thick, and then this is a 32 count for these.
Okay, we need to get some of this.
What is it? What is it?
It has like the sausage on it with the red. Try it. It's like, I think it's for breakfast. It's giving me like breakfast vibes.
The box is right there. I didn't want it, but they have the Uncrustables. They didn't have them last time, so these are a must right now with my pregnancy. I crave these a whole ton, so we're grabbing these. No instant savings, just 12 something. They have these tuna burgers, instant savings. We're gonna pass on that right there, and it's $2 instant savings.
It is a breakfast bowl.
Are you gonna make it?
Yeah, I'll make this.
Let me see.
I love this. It is really good.
Breakfast bowls, drive. Oh,
look,
I guess it's not that bad. Maybe that's why you liked it. All right, we're gonna try this out, I guess. By the way, I got my kicks for the Target haul that I did. If you guys follow me on Instagram, we got a Target haul that was only like $1 for 3 items. But Shopkick, and this is not a promo, guys, has a Sam's Club on here as well. I think they're on Ibotta also. So I wanted to check. They do. Look, they have the Oreo frozen treats. You're gonna get 1,000 kicks back, which is, how much is that? 1,000 kicks, $2.50. That's $4 back. So let's go see. And they have it on instant savings. So it's $8.34, and then we're gonna get $4 back from ShopKick. Makes one of these only like $4. $4.38. I'm a little too excited about this.
Clearly.
It's like I found a deal.
Here it is.
I'm gonna submit the receipt. We're getting our last item. The Lunchables, what we came for. It's only $6.23 for 6 of them, which is $1.03 each. So like I said, I haven't been able to find these for 99 cents in a long time. So this is definitely, you know, a deal. I'm gonna probably grab 3 of these packs because like I said, these are a must when I can't pack the kids' lunch. Some more instant savings. We have the hefty plates, this big one. It is $8.38, so $4 off. Then there is this one here, $8.38. Wait, that one looks like the same one. Is it the same? I think it might be the same. $8.38 also. I think the sizes might be different. But those are on instant savings. Now, they also have food items on instant savings as well, like part of the instant saving deals for the month, but I'm completely forgetting that we have children to pick up. Right, babe? Chase just following me. So we have little ones that we have to pick up, so I can't really go through the food, but let me know down in the comments if you guys want us to come back. We probably need to do another haul anyways, and we can check out the food because I did see a few items in the deli department and like the drinks here that have instant savings. So if you guys want to check that out, let me know. We can come back, probably do a slower walkthrough of this, and then also you can check out online. I think online they have the instant savings catalog, so you can see all of the items. It just doesn't tell you the store prices, but I'm not sure if the online prices are the same as the store prices, so they'll have to.
You can have a bite.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, not you, Mia.
Mia's giving me her trash. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed our vlog and our coming shopping.
I want one of these.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
You want to buy 2?
One bite too. One bite.
It's very like
It's like
Really?
Oreo.
One bite.
okay. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming with us shopping the Sam's Club. I think they really had some great offers.
And samples.
And samples for like the laundry products, the paper products. Definitely beats going to like Target, but remember they don't always have these sale price. This is just the instant savings for the month, so I feel like the instant saving prices are good if you don't want a coupon, if that makes sense. But all right, guys, that is all for our video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you sign up for the Sam's Club membership and you still have questions, let me know down in the comments below, and don't miss out on this offer because it's a really good one. So
It really is a good deal.
it really is, and they have
Wow.
some really good offers in there. But all right, guys, we'll see you in our next one. Bye.